Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, recently on Instagram stories I had put up the real chic hollow polishes that I got, so I was dying to give them a go. So I got a pink, a black and a greeny one, and I thought I would do a greeny one with like scales, like fish scales. No, I would not do fish scales. I would do snake scales. But in the meantime, what do you think of my new nail desk cover? Isn't it just to die for? But anyhow, so this is the real chic, and these are numbers, there's no names. So this is 307. By the way, the black is 303 and the pink is 314. I will actually get all of them, I think, if they are any good. But that hollow there looks absolutely stunning. They are quite small, they're only 7mm, but they are fairly cheap as well. And there we go, have a look at the polish. You can really see that hollow chromatic look. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this to my nails, and yeah. So one coat is a little bit too opaque for me, so I would definitely allow that to dry and go in with a second coat. So I'm going to do that, just going in with that second coat. Now because these are only 7mm, if you wanted to save the polish just to do a one coat, you could go in with a similar color or even a black polish underneath and just do one coat of the hollow on its own. There you go, look at that, isn't that absolutely fab? So I'm going to go in with this nail plate here. It is UR Suger L007, and I'm going to use this snake image here, and I'm going to multi-print with a bright blue, a navy blue and a green, trying to give me that scale type pattern. I'm going to turn off the light, it seems to be reflecting awful, sorry guys. Actually gone in and I've put some liquid latex on my fingers because as normal I forget. So I am just dotting these 3 colours onto the plate. And as you can see, it gives a lovely bluey greeny blend. So just removing what I don't want all over with a lint roller. And there we have it. I hope you can see that, guys. I might just do a quick frame with the light on. There it is with the light on. Guys, I promise I am getting new lights very soon, and it should help my work a lot better. So I'm going to fly along and I will put the snake skin on the other nails. So now I have top coated and oiled. I know, guys, that my nails are so short and you're used to seeing them long, and I will have them long again, but I have to go into hospital unfortunately for a little procedure quite soon, and I'm only going to have to file them down and take them off for that. So I said, oh, sure, I'll just keep them short until until I come out, and then we can have my lovely long nails again. So do you like these, guys? I will definitely use those other two hollow polishes, the black and the pink in that Real Chic. I love that pink, isn't it just divine? I'll use them on another tutorial coming up soon, I'd say, but that is the green one. If you like them, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because sharing is caring. I'm really trying to grow this channel, but it's growing but very slowly. So if you want to subscribe, just hit that little purple fingers and that will subscribe, and this will bring you onto another video. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.